Do you have alopecia and you always want to style your hair, but you find it very difficult to style your hair? If that's you, this video is for you. So in today's video, I am going to show you exactly how you can style your alopecia hair. If you have no hair to the crown of your head, this will be a perfect video for you. If you want to try other style, and on this alopecia hair, I do braid, I do weave, I do everything. It doesn't prevent me from styling your hair. So this is how I do it. I'm not going to be wasting your time. I'm just going to explain a little bit what I do and allow you to watch the video. If you have any question, you can always comment box below. Remember to hit the bell so you can be notified when I post a video. And I'm asking you to kindly support my channel, help me to grow my channel. I greatly appreciate that in advance. So let's get into this video. So already gone ahead and do most of the washing, the shampooing, and now I'm just doing the conditioner in her hair. Make sure that the hair is rinsed properly, thoroughly rinsed and clean. What I'm gonna do, I am gonna be tightening up her hair because the crown of her hair have no hair, and I always have to find a way to sew the hair, to braid just a little braid in between that I can tighten up the crown. A very technical thing to do, so I just want you to watch and see how it is done. So once I finish washing the hair, I'm going to blow dry the hair. As you can see, I'm patting out the water from it, some of the water from it. As you can see, her natural hair right there is very thick and different. What we're going to do is to blow dry the hair. So I'm first going to just use a brush and brush your hair out a little bit. Make sure that the tangles are out, because that's how you can work with it easily as a wig. Because you don't really want to comb out all of the wig. And this hair is human hair and it works pretty good. You don't need to use a comb. You can use a white toothbrush, and as you blow the air over the hair, make sure that it is properly dry before you do anything. I am going to braid a braid that to help to secure her hair to the, just to make it a little tighter that it can stay, because when you have no hair to the crown of your head, you always want something to secure whatever you're putting in need to be secure. So I will show you how I did that. So just blow dry the hair, make sure that it's pretty silky. One thing I want to bring to your attention is that when you're doing alopecia hair, you're going to want to have like a base, and I call it like a crown or a bridge, which is where you braid a braid and make it stable that you can on the hair, or just a foundation for it. All right. Alrighty, so here you can see that we already gone through and blow dry the hair, and the leave out is what I am working on right now. So you want to blow out the leave out properly. As you can see, the leave out is on the side of the hair. Reason why that is because her hair don't have, one side of her hair have hair. So you always have to go with a deep part, because the crown of the head have no hair. So I go with a deeper side part. Here, you're going to make sure that you blow out her hair, which is a leave out. And as you do that, this is when I said I'm going to make something like an anchor or a bridge. So here, as you can see, there's no hair to the top of the crown. So to the side, what I'm going to do, I'm going to braid just a small braid. So I braid a little braid there, and then I'm going to use a crochet pin, and I'm going to take some of the hair from the lace, and I'm going to feed it into that braid that I braided to the side and to the deep side, right? So I'm using the crochet pin, and I'm going to braid it and pull it through, that it can be more of a natural looking, like if it's coming out of the scalp. That's the effect that I'm going for. Once you figure out how you're going to do that and make it easy here, so I braided a strand, I braided just a little bit of the leave out here. That give me the option to feed the hair, some of the hair from the wig, as you can see here. So that you see I put there. So if you watch, you have an idea of what I'm saying. But basically, you just have to find a way, and this is my method. This is how I end up getting good result. All right, guys, so I'm just going to leave you to watch it, and hopefully that you learn something or you learn a technique from it. If you do, just remember to leave a comment down below, give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and remember to show your love for my channel. So I'm just going to stop the talking and just allow you to watch and see the outcome of it. All right, thank you for being here, and have yourself an awesome and a blessed day.